Can you give examples of good variables and bad variable names? Yes, I can give examples of good variable names and bad variable names. So, good variable names. These are going to be things like, I probably shouldn't start at good variable names. I should start at bad variable names because that's where most people start. Bad variable names. Those are going to be things like A, B, C. Those don't describe anything for anybody. I get when you're typing it, it's really easy to just toss down an A, a B, a C. But when you have to go back and read that code the next day, I don't know about you guys, but I forget a lot of things as I'm going along. What does A mean? What does B mean? What does C mean? That means nothing to me. That's just a bunch of question marks. But if we use good variable names, we could say something like apple, bicycle, cat. Those are good variable names because when you come back the next day, you go, my apple. Yes, that is exactly what I need to edit today when I'm working. Not my A, which is, what was my A yesterday? I don't know. I had a lot of food in between, watched some good television. I couldn't tell you. So, yeah, just don't use single character names. You will definitely get points taken off if you do that. Also, another one would be something like, so a bad example could be something like, let me think, basic element. When I'm reading this as maybe when I'm the person that wrote the program, I can go, okay, basic element, awesome. But not everybody is thinking exactly like you. So, I don't know, somebody could read that as bass, ice, lemon. I don't know. Somebody could read that really weird. So how we can differentiate the basic and element, we can do something like, I think this is called camel hump, camelback, something like that. We can go basic element. And they call it that because it looks like, humps on a camel type deal. Or you could do something like basic element, which that is a bad arrow. This is an underscore. So you can easily differentiate between the words. And, another example would be like, say, or not basic, bad EX. Another bad example is, say I want to make a variable to hold pairs. I'll call that one apples. If you call it apples and you are holding pairs, no one's going to know what you're talking about. Yes, Camel Case. That's what they call it. Exactly.